Now with Zam YouTube, welcome back to another live trading session. We got about 7-8 minutes till market open, so I'm about to get straight into the chart. All right, so we're on the 4 hour. We're looking very bearish for both indexes. 1 hour, which is a great high to reverse off of, and so is this. Yeah, I would love to see price sweep this high right here. So I'm gonna mark it out. NQ, yeah, the only opportunities I can see for long will be right here, but as you can see, market has a pattern of going down, coming up a little bit, going down, coming up a little bit, going down. We really got to follow the pattern. Shorts will be highly probable, but I would still take longs if we got good structure from sweeping this low right here. This would be a great high for short. I feel like that is a pretty big high to try to take out. We're gonna sit and wait to see if we can get a short scenario. Okay, so as you can see, price pushed into this fair value gap right here, creating a high in it. If price does not inverse this fair value gap right here, this will be our scenario for short. We want to see price sweep this high right here and then inverse lower on the lower time frame, and we'll catch an entry. But we just sit and wait. Okay, so market open in about 20 seconds. As you can see, we about to inverse this fair value gap right here, and if we do inverse it, I would love for my short scenario to play out, which is where price sweep this and inverse lower on the lower time frame, or the long scenario would still be great. I want to see price sweep this right here, which is this 5-minute low in this fair value gap. We would need an inverse on the lower time frame, so we just sit and wait for one of these scenarios to play out. I am a consistently successful trader, which is why I follow my rules. So as you can see, it looks like ES is going to take it out first, but we don't want the SMT. We want true manipulation, so we want NQ to take this out as well. It looks like price is having a hard time trying to come down because it doesn't want to inverse this fair value gap right here, which is bullish because everybody wants to buy. Yeah, this is all we need right here for an A+ setup. Okay, so now we formed a low in this fair value gap right here, so all we need is for this to get swept. ES, NQ. Okay, good. We swept it for NQ. We want ES to sweep it as well. Now we want a fair value gap on the 1 minute. Okay, nice. ES swept both of them. So did NQ. Now we want a fair value gap inverse to the upside. Looks like we couldn't quite inverse to the upside, inversing all of these bullish fair value gaps on the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, and 5, as you can see. So now we wait. This will be our entry. I would press buy rather than doing a limit order. I want to see price come a little lower though, instead of taking out the entire move. This is my entry up here. Not bad. As you can see, I just lost my funded account because my drawdown. I feel like this trade will play out, but I'm gonna do another video how to pass an eval. Yeah, yesterday was a very emotional day, and I just paid the price for that. Okay, so that would have been a stop out anyways by manipulation. I believe we'll get another inverse to the upside. All right, here's a little trade recap. Market open right here. Came down into these bullish fair value gap. Couldn't inverse it. Forming a low in these fair value gap. Next candle, we sweep that low in the fair value gap, and so is this low, which is my long scenario with what I wanted to see. I wanted to see price sweep it, and we get an inverse on a lower time frame, which we did. As you can see, we flipped it right here, got in on the first inverse. It was a heavy move, took the trade, and we got stopped out by drawdown because I had like $300 drawdown. I took a $1,700 loss yesterday, but I believe this play gonna play out. This is what the second setup would look like. As you can see, it played out perfectly. But all right, YouTube, that's it for this video. I'm gonna give it y'all next week.